Hi viewers, welcome back to another video of Biopharmaceutics and Pharmacokinetics series. And today we will discuss about area under the curve or AUC and how to determine it with the help of trapezoidal rule. So, let's get started. Area under the curve or AUC represents the total integrated area under the plasma level time profile and express the total amount of active drug which reaches the systemic circulation. AUC is equals to dose over clearance. AUC is expressed in microgram per ml hours. It is independent of route of drug administration and elimination rate as long as it does not change. And AUC is directly proportional to dose of a drug. If we talk about the importance of area under the curve, in toxicology, AUC can be used as a measure of drug exposure. It is derived from drug concentration and time, so it gives a measure how much and how long a drug stays in a body. The efficacy of some antibiotics is related to AUC or MIC, thus maintaining a concentration above a minimum inhibitory concentration, or MIC, is more important than peak concentrations. In biopharmaceutics, the AUC measured after administration of a drug product is an important parameter in the comparison of drug products. It is the most important parameter in evaluating the bioavailability of a drug from different dosage forms, as it represents the extent of absorption. In pharmacokinetics, drug AUC values can be used to determine other pharmacokinetic parameters, such as clearance or bioavailability. Similar techniques can be used to calculate area under the first moment curve or AUMC and thus mean resident time. Area under the curve is also important for drugs that are administered repetitively for the treatment of chronic conditions like asthma or epilepsy. There are various methods available to determine the area under the curve, which includes Planimeter Method, cut and weight method, trapezoidal rule, which is basically a mathematical method, and counting square method. And in this lecture, we just focus on trapezoidal rule to determine the AUC. The area under the plasma concentration time curve or AUC is very useful for calculating the relative efficiency of different drug products. It can be used to calculate the total body clearance and the apparent volume of distribution. We can calculate AUC directly from the CP versus time data. We need to use different approaches, but the simplest and most common approach is a numerical approximation method called as the trapezoidal rule. There are following simple steps involved in trapezoidal rule. In step 1, first of all, divide the whole AUC into various small segments, known as trapezoids. In step 2, then calculate the area of each segment separately with the help of formula. AUC 1 to 2 is equal to CP2 plus CP1 over 2, and multiply by T2 minus T1. In step 3, calculate area of all the segments in the same way, and then add up all areas of all the segments to get their sum by following formula. In step 4, to finish this calculation, we have two more areas to consider: the area of first and the last segments. After a rapid IV bolus drug administration with a one-compartment model, the first segment can be calculated after determining the zero plasma concentration, or CP0, by extrapolation. That is done by plotting the CP versus time data on semi-log graph paper and then extending the best fit line back to the y-axis. After that, the final segment can be calculated from the following equation. Then calculate the total area by adding all the required values in the following formula. So, that's all about area under the curve or AUC and its determination with the help of trapezoidal rule. Hope you like this video, and for more cool content about biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel PharmaCD. Thank you.